So I wanted to come to Newfoundland to experience a real Newfie winter. I think we got it.
Yeah, I say.
What do you say?
Yeah, I say, yeah.
It's gusting.
Finally struck, yeah.
Finally struck.
Yeah.
This is the worst one they've had yet all winter, and we're here for it. The wind is gusting to 128 kilometers an hour. And I'm gonna go outside to shovel snow. Because this crazy old man wants it shoveled, right?
Yeah, and I can't do it.
And he can't do it. And I'm gonna do it for him.
I can use the snowblower a bit, but I can't shovel.
And I'm proud to be here to do it for him. Let's go.
It's a good offer you get home like that.
Could hardly get out the door. Yep. This is crazy!
The other one, I'm like, look, he's over there. Yeah, I know.
Yeah, you come out here.
I know, I think it's just, no, that's good enough. I can see if I can get that off. I'm gonna give you everything now for you now.
Yeah. That's enough. The funny thing is, I'll take you for a walk around the side of the house and show you something. The snow is up to my waist. Ugh. Higher in some points. Lower in others. Okay. This is one of my grandfather's sheds. His wood shed. I have to dig this door out. Let's see if it'll work. Here we go. I hope you could see it. Beautiful snowblower and a nice dry shed. My grandfather wouldn't let me use it because he wanted to see the boy from Toronto shovel the Newfie snow by hand. It's not fun. Let's go take a look at the back. This is the back porch to my grandparents' house. That's the back door in the kitchen. There's Grandma cooking lunch. Oh yeah, little fella?
What are you doing right now?
Hey?
No,
Nice and warm in there, isn't it?
oh, it's wonderful in there.
Come on out, boy.
You like, oh no, I got no clothes on. You like to come in?
No, I'm going to play out here now.
What?
I'm going to play out here for a bit.
Okay.
Alright, buddy.
I have a lot of snow going around the stuff.
Oh yeah, yeah. Right up to my waist.
Yeah, oh, yeah.
As I was saying, back here is the ocean. It's all frozen and covered with blowing snow. It's crazy. That's the best woman right there.
Oh yeah.
Grandma, after all that shoveling snow, this is what I come into.
Good hot fish cakes.
Homemade fish cakes. Mm. Not bad.
That's wonderful.